I'm going to be honest with you. I'm an interior designer, but years ago, my holiday decor looked like a glitter bomb went off in a craft store. We put so much effort into the holidays, but there are few specific mistakes that actually makes a house look very messy instead of magical. You just need to know the rules. Here are 7 decor mistakes I see all the time and exactly how to fix them. Mistake number 1 is relying on those skinny, wiry garlands straight out of the box. You know the ones, right? They look flat and very plasticky. The fix. The trick isn't buying that $200 garland. It's doubling up. Twist 2 cheap garlands together to create that volume. And for the love of design, fluff those branches if you can see the wire. You aren't done. Number 2, the polka dot tree. Scale issue. I call this the polka dot effect. It is when you use ornaments that are way too small for your tree. It just looks like cluttered noise. The fix. You need variation. Start with an oversized ornament tucked deep into the tree to fill the gaps. It adds depth. Save tiny sentimental ornaments for the tip of the branches. Number 3, the Christmas explosion. No color palette. Red, gold, silver, blue, purple. Stop! When you use every color under the rainbow, your eye doesn't know where to look. It feels very chaotic and not cozy. The fix. Pick a lane. Choose 2 main colors and 1 metallic. If you love red, do red, cream and gold. Sticking to a palette is a fastest way to make your home look very expensive. Number 4, neglecting the rule of 3, the clutter trap. Lining up a bunch of tiny snowmen in a straight line on your console isn't styling. The fix. Group your decor. Use the design rule of 3s. 1 tall item, 1 medium and 1 short. Create a triangle. It stops your surfaces from looking cluttered. Number 5, the cold white lights. Nothing, I say nothing, kills the holiday vibe faster than those harsh blue-toned LED lights. It feels like a hospital and not a living room. The fix. Always check the box. You want warm white? If your box says cool white or daylight, put it back. Warm white is what gives you that cozy feeling we're all chasing. Number 6, forgetting the traffic flow. We get so excited about the tree that we shove the furnitures into these weird corners. If your guests have to shimmy sideways to get to the sofa, the layout is definitely wrong. The fix. Function comes first. You need at least 30 to 36 inches of walking space. If the trees block the flow, move the tree, not the sofa. Number 7, ignoring the scent. The invisible mistake. Oops, sorry. Finally, a house that looks good but smells like old plastic or dusty boxes. But please don't use those cheap chemical sprays. Please don't. Please do not use it. The fix. Scent is part of the design. Boil a simmer pot with some orange slices, some cinnamon, some cloves. It's so natural, it's cheap, and it makes your home feel like a luxurious hotel instantly. Conclusion. See, you don't need to buy a whole new house of furniture. Just tweaking the lights, the scale, and the layout makes a very massive difference. Let me know in the comments, are you team colored lights or team warm white? I have a very strong opinion on this one. Don't forget to subscribe for more real life design tips, and I will see you in the next one.